here with the wonderful Megan White, the Partnerships Manager for the Supply Chain Logistics Association of Australia. Megan, always a pleasure to see you. How are you?
Likewise, thank you, Lawrence. Very well.
Now, you guys are an industry partner of this incredible CMAT conference here at the Dome in Sydney, but you've got some other exciting stuff to talk about.
Oh, definitely. It's great to come here and see a lot of our national and platinum partners and also potential partners, because we are the only truly cross-sector association in Australia. And further to that, we host the largest industry awards in Australia, and that's coming up in November the 10th in Sydney this year at the beautiful Fullerton Hotel. So the industry awards have been going for 61 years now. We've been hosting for about 21 years. So just probably want to get the word out. We sold out last year. We had 450 in Melbourne and sold out and had people on a wait list. Yeah. If you want to come to the awards, the industry event of the year in Sydney, you need to book your tickets early, get in early, and sponsorships are an option. We've had some wonderful sponsorship. We have a platinum partner, new member, Malik Transport. We have gold sponsorship from current national partners such as Americold, Gamma Solutions, NTI and CallSafe, new national partner Intralogistics. Then we have silver, bronze, individual industry awards. So there's a sponsorship to cater for everyone. It doesn't have to be an expensive exercise, and it certainly gets your brand and your name out there.
Yep. And it's a fantastic awards. I can vouch for that. It's the biggest in the country. Everyone gets dolled up to the nines. It's a great way to have some fun and create some relationships.
Yep. Look, it's the industry event to network, connect, and have a bit of fun in what's a pretty busy environment that we all work in. So anyone that's anyone will be at those awards.
Yep, absolutely, Megan, and it makes supply chain look very good.
Thank you. Excellent.